Good morning, everybody. I just started coffee back there. I don't know what was wrong with me this morning. It's 9 a.m. I was up at 7. I did my meeting. And I felt absolutely exhausted, so I laid back down for an hour. So now, I just started the coffee pot, and I'm going to take the dogs out. And then Goonie came home early last night. Earlier than I was expecting him to. And I was going to watch some YouTube videos that I put on a playlist to watch later. So I think I'm going to do that this morning. And look at yesterday's footage as well, getting that over onto my hard drive. But for now, I'm going to take Lucy out. Lucy and Beans. And we'll go from there. I'm tired this morning. Time to go potty. Just waiting for the elevator. I have a smoke in my mouth. Time to do your business. Both of you. Beans. I just have brought them out. We're gonna go for a little walk around the building. And yes, I am in my robe. I don't care if I come out in my robe. It doesn't bother me. And then back up for some coffee. Some much, much needed coffee. I needed this morning. I absolutely love eggnog in coffee at Christmas with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Makes it just sweet enough, but it's creamy and nice. I'm a black coffee drinker, but this is the one time a year that I love adding something to my coffee. And it's eggnog. Pour my coffee, add a dash of eggnog and a teaspoon of sugar, and it's the perfect cup. It is almost shower time. This hair hasn't been washed in like 3 days. So it's hair washing day, shower time. I'm gonna shave and do my hair and makeup. I'm gonna try to set up my little tripod here and I'll bring you along with me while I get ready. I just brushed out my hair because I'm about to shower. So this is the result pre-shower. Hi friends, I just finished getting ready and we are about to head out for a late lunch, early dinner with a friend. She's making shepherd's pie. One of our other friends has flown in from across the country, so we're gonna go for coffee and a visit, lunch, chit chats, all that kind of stuff. I probably won't film any of that because they don't know I'm doing this and it would be weird to pull out the camera and start talking to it in front of them. I also get to help my friend set up her new TV that she ordered. She ordered one last week. It turned out to be the same size as the one she replaced. So she ordered a bigger one, And now I gotta set that all up all over again to make it work with her smart home and all that kind of stuff. I'm her go-to tech person, which is usually the case for most people, I know. I'm just the go-to techie. I like technology. Anyways, we are just wrapping up here in the apartment before we head on our way. I gotta pack the snow brush because we're supposed to start getting snow today and throughout the night, but we do park underground, but our car will be outside at our friend's. And Moosey is down over there chewing her bone. And I'm gonna take them out with Goonie before we head out of the house for the afternoon. I think that's all I have to update you on. We are on our way to Suits and going to make a quick stop at Costco. I say quick, but usually never is quick. And the Gooner is here. See? He's so impressed. And it has started to snow, so the snowfall warning is in effect. Hi friends. I just got home from our afternoon and evening out with Sue. That's our friend. It was longer than we expected it to be, actually. Quite a bit longer, but it was really nice. It was a good visit and stuff. And now I just got back in from walking the dogs with Gunnar, and it is snowing like crazy out. But I'm going to wash this mug off, put my hair up, and probably watch some YouTube or edit some YouTube. And I think that's about it. I know there wasn't a whole lot of footage from today, but thank you for watching anyways, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. Good morning, friends. It is Tuesday, and I just got up. It's super snowy outside. I'll show you. 1 second. Snow on my window. Hello there. I'm still tired, but I'm making coffee anyways. I'm gonna hop on my recovery meeting and then see if I can stay up or if I need to lay back down for a little bit. But coffee's almost ready. You know what I just made? Eggnog, teaspoon of sugar, and coffee. Now I'm ready for my recovery meeting. And hopefully that'll give me a little kick of energy so that I can stay awake afterwards, even though I'm tired. I have just spent the last 3 hours trying to figure out how to film on YouTube using my iPhone, what to film on YouTube, can I film on YouTube, is it gonna be lame? And now I'm riddled with anxiety and I feel overwhelmed, and I feel like now I've just talked myself out of doing anything today with YouTube. And I have no idea where to start or what to do, and I'm feeling very discouraged. So I'm gonna have a coffee and change into everyday clothes, because I'm still in my pajamas even, and see what I can do to turn this day around. Goonie and I are just about to take the dogs out potty. Beaner's in my jacket because it's too cold for him. Goonie took Moose outside and the garbage to the dumpster. Exciting. And now we are going to go pick up a Starbucks. I'm going to get dropped back off at home and try to film something. And Goonie's going to go run some errands. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I got Starbucks, and it is windy and cold as frick outside. But Goonie drove me across the parking lot, essentially, to get Starbucks before he went to go do some errands. So now I'm gonna try to make my hair look presentable, aka bobby pin the flyaways, and think about just sitting down and filming something besides these vlogs. And then I have some work to do on my computer, and I think that's about it. And oh, Goonie actually ordered a couple accessories for my filming setup using my iPhone. Those should be here tomorrow and the next day, I believe. And yeah, I'm gonna try to come up with something to film. That is my goal today. Film something other than this vlog. Well, today I really sucked at vlogging. If it's any consolation, I got super in my head about content and planning and tools for creating content, and I just went down this anxiety spiral today, and I talked to a couple good friends and they helped me out of it a little bit, but I was still feeling pretty down on myself, and then I forgot to vlog anything, and it was just kind of a weird day. I had troubles with 2 of my hard drives that I was trying to get set up, and that took a lot of my time. I did a recovery meeting at 7 p.m. and then I talked to a friend after that for a little bit, and it just wasn't a very good afternoon and evening, but I'm feeling better now and I'm heading to bed. So I just wanted to come on, say goodnight, and say thank you for watching today, and I hope that you enjoyed it.